Pangpasaya lang ba?
Wala.
Mark Beats. Mark Beats.
Parang masawa. Di na pwede lumiko. Di na pwede.
Hi, kuya.
Takot mama. Ano ba? Magtatanong lang sana ako ma'am ba?
Ano?
Bakit ikaw lang mag-isa dito ma'am?
Kilala kong kaliskis mo.
Sightseeing lang po.
Kaya pala ikaw lang mag-isa dito ma'am. Para masaya yung pag ano mo din ma'am. Mag-standby. Okay lang manakaharanahan kita ma'am.
Uy, sana all. Oh, sige kuya.
Kasi napansin kita yung sa malayo ma'am ba? Ito lang yung isa tapos lang po ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
Hindi totoo yan.
Gusto ko lang sana
Bola lang yan.
Kita ma'am kaya. Kunting oras lang. Okay lang ma'am.
Sige, okay.
Wala na sila magaling ma'am na.
Wala.
Walang bayad to ma'am.
Ayos lang. Okay.
Salamat ma'am.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Ganyan mo kuya ha.
Gagalingan ko talaga ma'am.
Pwede na.
I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your trump of mine, you know it's you. I can do so much for you. I want you.
Ay tila sining sa museong di naluluma.
Having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay, I never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
I love you tonight and it feels alright. Feels alright. You're afraid to say that you get lost in love, but you're open your heart to me. Underneath it all you feel, you know how deep our love could be tonight. We'll touch until it's time to go. That I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight and feels alright. Feels alright.
Uy, sana all.
Grabe, ma'am. Salamat naman, ma'am. Alis na ako, mama.
Ay kuya, may ibigay sana ako sa'yo.
May ibigay, ma'am. Sana. Ang ganda naman.
Wow!
Okay lang, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am. Malaking tulong na to sa akin, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, dahil binigyan mo naman ako ng pira, ma'am. May bibigay din ako sa iyo, ma'am. Okay lang.
Kilala kong kaliskis mo.
Kunting ano lang, ma'am. Kunting pangpasaya lang ba?
Wala.
Salamat, mama. Nasa ka, ma'am. Sige.
Ano sa inyo? Natamimi kayo. Ano?
Ay, ma'am. Ano, ma'am, babalik ko sana yung pira na binigay mo sa akin kanina, ma'am.
Bakit?
Kasi actually, ma'am, gumagawa lang kami ng video, ma'am.
Kasi nangaroon ka.
Hindi, ma'am, gumagawa okay lang mo na i-upload namin sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook, ma'am.
Pwede lang
Yung video.
yan.
Parehas pala tayo. Anong page mo, ma'am? Anong channel mo?
Page ko is Clytie.
Clytie, yun lang. Ano pa lang yung camera mo pag-hi, ma'am?